In a traditional design process, once the design work is completed, it becomes difficult to clearly understand the overall product structure. We usually have CAD files and assemblies, but understanding how everything is connected is not easy. What if you could see the complete product structure clearly without opening heavy CAD softwares? What if you could define, visualize, and review the product structure in a simple and collaborative way? This is where 3D Product Architect comes in. 3D Product Architect is a browser based application available on the 3D Experience platform. It allows us to create and manage product structures from multiple CAD systems in one single environment. Now, let me show how it works. Myself, Bhuvan Kumar, elite application engineer from Aegis, India. Let us start with product structure creation. Using 3D Product Architect, we can easily create, modify, and explore product structures. These structures represent engineering items such as assemblies and sub-assemblies. One important point to notice here is we are not opening any CAD softwares. Here, everything is done directly in the browser. This means even non-CAD users like project managers or manufacturing teams can understand the product structure clearly. If I select a component, I can immediately see where it belongs in the product. This helps team understand how a small change in one part can impact the overall product. All of this is done without switching between multiple tools. Now, let's move to digital mockup. One of the key capabilities of 3D Product Architect is creating digital mockups directly in the browser. Here, we can rotate, zoom, and explore the product in 3D. This allows stakeholders to visualize the design change from anywhere using any device. During design reviews, we can use tools like measurement, section view, and object selection, which help teams validate the design intent easily. With 3D Product Architect, design reviews become simple, visual, and collaborative. In real projects, we often work with different CAD systems. 3D Product Architect supports multi-CAD environment. This means geometry from different CAD tools can exist together inside one single product structure. This gives a complete product view without manual assembly or file conversion. Product configurations can be modified or duplicated in a controlled way. This helps team create product variants faster while maintaining full control. Since 3D Product Architect is a browser-based, teams can collaborate in real time. This works across desktops, laptops, and mobile devices. Comments, annotations, and updates are shared instantly. There is no need to export files or send information through emails. Lifecycle actions such as revision and release are handled in a controlled and traceable way. This ensures accurate and reliable product data throughout the development process. To summarize, 3D Experience 3D Product Architect provides a complete environment for managing product architecture, from early product structure definition to 3D visualization. To design reviews and collaboration, everything happens in one single platform.